Insurance Firm of the Year, and I'd like to invite up Peter Hoody from CEE to give this award away. And Agata, if you'll read off the short list.
Here are the nominees, ladies and gentlemen. AIG and PAO Global Services, Iron Shore Insurance, Marsh, and Tokyo Marine HCC. And who is the winner?
The winner is, my dear friends, Marsh.
Guy. Congratulations. Come join us over here for a photo.
You know it's not hard just to get along.
And please feel free to say a few words.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'm honored to receive this award. For me, for us, for Marsh Poland, I think it's a sign that it was worth to start our local M&A insurance practice 5 years ago. And that's why I'd like to thank all of you, our clients, lawyers, consultants, PE funds, corporate players, all of you with whom we worked during these 5 years. Thank you so much, and what can I say? I wish all of us only successful deals in 2018, and please remember about proper risk management. Thank you so much.
Well, congratulations again.